how Hunter children to do. They share the Queen Quet head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. So glad that Hunter still a follow we. With all of these things to grind on for celebrate just who we be. And you know, it hot down here. So we had to take a little sip of this your sweet tea. Now Hunter children ain't be long ago. Hunter be getting me to crack my tea about sweet tea. And a lot of the sweet tea will ever be made right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. In this your town where this evening, the Dorchester County will dedicate this year day for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2015. And Hunter children, I won't take a little bit of time for Hunter children getting this year proclamation where it's sent to we for the Gullah Geechee Nation. So, let we see what it got for saying we, but who we be. This evening, they're going to make this your thing law in Dorchester County. They say the state of South Carolina, Dorchester, proclamation 15-06. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, July 27 to August 2nd, 2015. Whereas Dorchester County was the site of numerous rice plantations in the 18th century, including Middleton Plantation, Archdale Hall Plantation, the Ponds Plantation, and Coger Plantation, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as the Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as enslaved Africans to work on rice plantations, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Dorchester County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, and the annual celebration that is international throughout the week. Whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions that Gullah Geechees have given to our area. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Dorchester County Council does hereby recognize the 215th Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaims the week of July 27th through August the 2nd as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Dorchester County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. And this is signed by Chairman C. David Ennis and the clerk of their county council, Sally K. Herbert. We said tanky, the Dorchester County, tanky, the Hunter children still keeping them sweet, right? And so you set the Guinness World Book of Records this year for the largest sweet tea there in Somerville, there in Dorchester County, but you can't get no sweeter than this year when we get this year proclamation for dedicating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for the first time in Dorchester County. Because if we had, we even been a harvest this year, tea, harvest all these other things, 100 to get about in this year proclamation, and we go and carry right on throughout the Gullah Geechee Nation. 100 children know if it did with me, then 100 I know this year the work going on. See you in Dorchester and see you throughout Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Peace and blessing, everybody.